I was super exciting about it. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to erase your forgotten password for Windows local account. Then, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here Almutasim Billah. Then let me just make it a password. Here I don't know, the password is incorrect. The password is incorrect. To solve this problem, firstly you should have to have Windows installation media, USB or DVD. And if you know how to get a window in USB flash drive, click on the link under the description to know how to boot your flash drive in Windows and watch that tutorial. Okay, let me solve this problem to you. Now to just recover the password of this, click on this button and restart your system. It's restarting. Then enter. Well, when you restart your computer, you should have to just have an installation media such as USB or DVD, which have Windows setup. Then next, then click on repair my computer or your computer. Here. Now click on troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt, then click into it. Now type disk part, then hit enter. Now type list volume, then hit enter. Here there is variation C, E and D. Just we should have to know in which variation our program file installed. Then type exit, then CLS. Now type C, then hit enter. Here. Now type dir. Now hit enter. Here. The directory of C is not, any file is not found over here. It means our program file is not installed in C drive. Okay, let us check D drive. Then D, enter. Now type CLS, then dir, then hit enter. Here our program file is installed, our Windows system is installed on a D driver. Then type CLS. Now type CD, Windows, then hit enter. Now type CD system 32. Now hit enter. Now type CLS and type dir utilman.exe, then hit enter. Here the utilman is here. Now type CLS. Now type move utilman.exe, and now also utilman.exe.back. Now hit enter. Yeah, override, yes, because you know before I make it yes, then hit enter. One item is moved. Now type copy cmd.exe, and after utilman.exe. Now type, hit enter. Here one file is moved. Now type wp eu till reboot. Now type click into or press enter. Sorry, over here there is no E here. Now hit enter. Here our system is now restarting. Now we don't have to just press anything. Let's open. We should have to wait. Here, the system is on the way of opening. Here it's open. Now double click, and now came and click on this easy of access button. Here, when you click, the command prompt is open. Now type net user. Now hit enter. Here, administrator default account. Now type net user. The username for this PC is Almutasim Billah. Now Almutasim Billah, then after space star, then hit enter. Here it is asking the password for the user. Click enter. Now also retype the password, enter. Now we finished. Then type exit, enter. Now without just typing anything, click in this button, in enter button, enter here. Yes, you already recovered the password of Windows. Here, the window is already open. As you see over here, the window is already open. This PC here, this you already we already recovered the password here. Then click on power button, then after shut down the system. Here, then exit. Okay, this is all what I have for you today, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed by this video, learned something from it. If you didn't try, or if you forgot your window password, if you need to use this way to read for cool and exciting such kinds of tutorials, subscribe my channel, and to stay updated, click on bell ring icon, and don't forget to know or how to boot your flash to USB. I mean that your window, how to have a window in your USB flash drive. Check the link in the description and watch that tutorial how to boot your flash into window. This all. Bye bye till I come to